I've got 4 beautiful rugs here, but they're all different. There's different fibers, face fibers that you can touch, but the way these rugs are constructed are all different. So the first one here, we just have a pretty basic rug that has a rubber backing. You have to be cautious with these because sometimes the latex can yellow vinyl floors below them. Here we have a tufted rug, and as you can see, the backing is consistent. It doesn't look like the front of the rug, and that's because this backing is glued onto it. It is tufted. A limitation with this type of rug is that latex can separate and delaminate, so it's a little more limited in what we can do in the wash process, but we have a process that we can clean tufted rugs. Next we have a machine-made rug, and as you can see, this is woven. You can see the design on the back, just like what's on the front, but this is made by a machine. So this can be washed and it cleans up great. Here we have a real Oriental style type rug. This is hand knotted. It's a wool fiber. You have the cotton weft and warp foundation yarns. An easy way to tell is that that fiber, that yarn, is a foundation that goes all the way through. Some machine-made rugs have fringe on the back, but if you really look, the fringe is sewn on. But this rug is woven. We can wash it and it cleans up fantastic. So no matter what type of fiber you have, what size it is, how it's constructed, Distinctive can identify that and come up with the best solution for your rug so it's clean and looks great.